newscaster, Ginger. Hello, I'm Ginger. Welcome. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you all with us this wonderful Christmas evening. Lights for this. And so, happy Christmas. No, it's not Christmas yet. It's Christmas time. Happy Christmas time. I just got this new pink kid, and it's like, let me. It's not working. Not quite. Okay, I think I got it. We are going to. I will be getting ready for my interview with Bob.
In a few moments. No, wait.
So you sit
On today's show, no, get back up. On today's show, you will learn ways to make delectable Christmas treats, weather for Christmas Day, interviews with your favorite Christmas guests, and tons more things are in store for you this evening. So don't miss it and be sure not to. We'll be right back.
Hi, we're back with Kiki LeBeau, and I'm going to introduce his first day. I told you, Bob. He's our intern. He looks a little excited. It's starting to scare me. Okay, Bob.
Yeah. Hold it down. You're weatherman. Man with the. It's going to snow. It's going to snow. Santa's coming. But it's gonna snow. Snow. The weather is gonna be snowing. Because it's Christmas. Gonna snow. This much. 6 inches of snow. Santa's coming. Santa. 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 And Santa. Santa.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Coming up next, we'll be interviewing Santa.
Santa.
Yes, Santa. We'll be back after this short break.
Santa.
Stop it. Hello, and welcome to Christmas Drinking for the Holidays. Today it's me and my co-host, Kiki LeBeau. We're going to try 3 different flavors of hot chocolate. Okay, first, chocolate raspberry. Second, we have pumpkin pie mocha. And third, we have eggnog latte. Now, first we will try the chocolate raspberry.
shake up, shake down, stir down, and toss around. Mmm, yummy. Yummy.
That was good. I'm just thirsty. I didn't consider the rest.
Delicious. Next up, and last, is eggnog latte. Now we shake up,
Forget that.
stir down, and toss around.
That was hot.
Okay. So, once again, that's Fireside Hot Chocolate Mix, Raspberry, Chocolate, Pumpkin Pie Mocha, and Eggnog Latte. Say bye.
Alright. Recording.
Hi.
Yeah.